So let me take you to rice. Rice is a staple diet of India. India ranks second in the world in terms of rice production after China. Rice, as we now know, it's a kharif fasal because it needs a lot of water. So it has to be some water, or the paddy crops are always in the water. They are, the starting point where we sow seed, it needs a lot of water. Temperature needed is about 25% centigrade, and a very good amount of humidity is required. The rainfall should be more than 100 centimeter, and major rice producing areas are West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Odisha, and Chhattisgarh. So these are the major areas. These are the major areas which we talked about. Then we have some minor areas also. These are some minor areas also. So these are the major areas. This is West Bengal. This is West Bengal. Then we have Uttar Pradesh here, Bihar, Odisha, and Chhattisgarh area. Wheat. So this is the main food crop of northern India. Wheat is a rabi crop. This is a picture of a wheat cultivation. It requires cold climate and very good bright sunshine, because the seeds, the grain have to reap. So that is why it requires bright sunshine. The rainfall needed is around 50 to 75 centimeter, and major wheat producing areas are Punjab, Haryana, UP, Bihar, Rajasthan, and MP. Along with these two crops, we talked about rice and wheat, we have millets. Millets means, we also call it as mota grain, that the bigger grain. Rice and wheat are not in that. Millets means we have mota anaj. So millets comes in this. Jawar, bajra, ragi. These are important millets. So jawar, if you see, these are the picture. This is the bajra, and this is the maize. Maize is nothing but the bhutta. So jawar, third most important crop in terms of production is jawar. It grows well in the moist areas where we have good humidity. And then largest producer of jawar is Maharashtra. Then following is Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh. Coming to bajra, this grows well on the sandy soil, balua soil, where we have a blend of the reth, that is sand, and the main soil, that is the black soil. So sandy soil and black soil, these are very good for bajra. Largest producer is Rajasthan. Which is the largest producer in bajra? Rajasthan. Then comes Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, followed by Gujarat and Haryana. Coming to ragi. Ragi is a crop that grows very well on red, black, sandy, loamy, and black soil. Which state is the largest producer of this ragi? It's Karnataka. Karnataka is the largest producer of ragi. Then comes the Tamil Nadu. This ragi is very rich in Fe, iron, and Ca, calcium. So ragi is very important in terms of paushtikta, nutrients. So iron and calcium, these minerals are being found, and these are actually elements. Then coming to the most important, which you find everywhere in the northern India, bhutta. You will see them, people eating it raw just by just burning it somewhat. So maize, it is used both as food and fodder. The temperature required is around 21 degrees centigrade to 27 degrees, and they grow well on old alluvial soil. Old, alluvial means jalod mitti. So old alluvial soil. And who are the major producers? Again, maize, starting with Karnataka, then Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, and Andhra Pradesh. So let me show you the major area of wheat. These are the major areas. Ganga Satluj here. Then we have, these are the minor areas, means these are also produced but less than this one, less than this major area. Coming to pulses. So India is the largest producer. That doesn't mean that we export that much. We actually import it. India is the largest producer because we are largest consumers also. We are the largest producers as well as the largest consumer of pulses. Pulses are the, you can say, chicken of the vegetarians. It is rich in protein. It has lot of protein. The important pulses in India are tur, urad, moong, masoor, peas and gram. So this also improves the fertility of soil because it has nitrogen fixation bacteria. So growing of pulse in between the crops will help because the soil will get enriched in nitrogen. So pulses are being grown in Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Karnataka. Then comes the sugarcane. Sugarcane, if you see, these are food crops other than grains. So these are food crops other than grains. That is sugarcane. So this, if you see, this is a sugarcane cultivation. Then we have certain others also we will be discussing just now. These are groundnut, sunflower, mustard. These are ready to be harvested. We'll just talk about that. But let me first tell you about sugarcane. So what are the important points of sugarcane? It grows in tropical as well as subtropical regions. So it is a tropical as well as subtropical crop. It grows well in hot and humid climate. The temperature required is around 21 degree to 27 centigrade. The rainfall is from 75 to 100 centimeter. And India is the second largest producer. Who is the first in sugarcane? It's Brazil. After Brazil, we are the second largest producer of sugarcane. Sugar, jaggery and molasses are produced from sugarcane and they are also used a lot in different industries. So they are grown in Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab and Haryana. Now then we come to tilhan, that is the oil seeds. So we have to talk about this oil seeds after this. This is the oil seed. We call it as, say there are three things, khadyan, tilhan and dalhan. Dalhan means pulses and tilhan means from where oil is coming. So we have oil seeds. So India is the largest producer all over the world in terms of oil. So major oil seeds are groundnut, means from all these oils are extracted. You might be using it in your food. So major oil seeds are groundnut, mustard, coconut, sesame, soya bean, sunflower, cotton seeds, and these are used in cooking oil, also used in making ointments and soaps and cosmetics. That is how these oil seeds are so important to us. Then coming to groundnut. Groundnut is the largest grown oil seed in India. Largest grown oil seed in India is what? It is groundnut. Largest producer is what? Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is the largest producer of groundnut, followed by Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Gujarat and Maharashtra. Tea. Now tea is a plantation crop. Along with this coffee also, coffee is also a plantation crop. So this tea is a plantation crop and this is the tea cultivation. If you see this, these are the plantation of tea and these are the tea leaves harvesting being done. So this is a beverage, that means tea is used for refreshment, for drinking. So beverage crop, it was introduced by a British. So tea actually was from China and then British brought it into India. It grows well in tropical as well as subtropical climate on fertile soil, but it requires labor intensive. So this is a labor intensive farming it requires. In Assam, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu and Kerala, tea is planted. And India is the largest producer. Along with this, the producer, India is also the largest consumer also and exporter of tea to the world. Coming to coffee. Coffee is also a beverage. So India accounts for 4% of world's coffee production, 4%. So two varieties of coffee, Arabica and Robusta, these are grown in India. So these coffee plantation, they are in Nilgiri hills of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. So this coffee and tea, they are beverage, and this variety which we just talked about, it came from Yemen. These two, Arabica and Robusta. And this variety is in demand. So initially the cultivation was introduced on the Baba Budan hills. Baba Budan hills. And after that, well, now we have the Nilgiri hills of Karnataka and Kerala and Tamil Nadu. And when we talk about this tea, as we just talked about Assam, West Bengal and Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So in Assam, these major tea producing states, as we saw, Assam and hills of Darjeeling, Jalpaiguri district, West Bengal, in Tamil Nadu and Kerala. And apart from this, Himachal Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Meghalaya, Andhra Pradesh and Tripura, they are also tea producing states. And as we said, that we are producer as well as the leading exporter of tea. Coming to horticulture crops, so India is the largest producers of fruit and vegetables. So growing fruit and vegetables, it comes under horticulture. Horticulture. If you see here that India is producer of tropical as we just saw, temperate fruits. So mangoes of Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. Oranges of Nagpur and Cherrapunji, that is Cherrapunji in Meghalaya. And bananas of Kerala, Mizoram, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Lychee and guava of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. And pineapples of Meghalaya. Grapes of Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra. Apples, pears, apricots and walnuts of Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. They are in demand all over the world. So India is producing 13% of the world total vegetable. And what do we have here? Pea, cauliflower, onion, cabbage, tomato, brinjal and potato. So let me go through this again. Mango, it is grown in Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh and West Bengal. Oranges are grown in Nagpur and Cherrapunji. Bananas in Kerala, Mizoram, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Apple, pears and apricot grown in Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh.